into income minus tithes equals expenses. Iyungan na mo. Without tithe, even kulang pa ang allocation sa uban.
But then, the learning is that 100% of all the times when we give, despite the uncertainties to finance other needs, God provides us with more than enough financial blessings several folds over to cover for the lacking budget.
I am Shiki Kinain. My friends call me Shik or Shiki. I am a licensed electronics and communications engineer, and I specialize in solar system design and installations. I was born in Iligan City, but raised in...
There are three highlights of our journey. First, we were running our lives our way. Second, how BCDP way of life has been instrumental to our spiritual growth. Third, our transformation to being God-led through discernment and surrender. I would say I grew up comfortably with my parents. All the other religious activities were very much familiar to me. My parents raised me to be independent. I learned to rely on myself, to solve problems, and keep moving forward. For a long time, I was proud of that. But I've just realized.
Breakfast head / unit leader.